There is somebody here. You were sacked as a bank manager. I want to see her. I want to see him. The Lord is not telling me whether he's a man or a woman. But he said there is somebody here. Actually, as a bank manager. You the one?
Yes, so Shinelebe.
Huh?
Yes, assistant manager.
Come, the poly boy. You were set up. Huh?
Conspiracy, yes.
Conspiracy.
Yes.
You were set up.
Yes, sir.
Don't worry, don't worry. Something is going to happen.
Amen.
You will be surprised.
Amen.
Do you believe in what we are doing?
If they're standing there, somebody.
Stand up.
Haka akaya. Akaji ofane mema. Ose ubeyo. Wajeru wari nebela. Isi kenu. Yeru wari neto. Haka akaya. Akaji ofane mema.
Watch and see. The favor is now here.
Amen.
Watch her face. She's coming to give a big testimony.